Unit 6. Old and New. Listening 6. Read and listen.
What can you do with an old building that isn't used anymore? Why not restore it and use it for something else? Here are some examples of old buildings that have been transformed into museums. The Roubaix Museum. It's difficult to imagine a swimming pool becoming a museum, isn't it? Well, that is exactly what happened in the small French town of Roubaix. The beautiful building was first built in 1927 and was used as a swimming pool until 1985. People then decided to reopen the building as an art gallery. Since then, the original designs have been carefully restored. The building has been filled with fantastic collections of paintings, sculptures, and textiles. But the best thing about the new museum is the room with the swimming pool. The pool is much smaller, and you can't swim in it now. But it is really amazing. There are statues all around it. The sun shines through the beautifully restored windows into the gallery, and it all looks spectacular. The museum is still called La Piscine. That's French for swimming pool. The Tanjavur Art Gallery. It's not often that you can visit a palace, but if you go to Tanjavur in India, you can spend as long as you like exploring one. Tanjavur is one of the oldest cities in India. It is well known for its beautiful architecture, its music, and its art. One of the best tourist attractions is the Tanjavur Art Gallery, which is in a 17th century palace. Before the building was transformed into a gallery, it had been unused for years. Since it has become a gallery, it has been filled with bronze and stone sculptures, paintings, and musical instruments. There's also a library full of ancient documents and a music hall. It's an unforgettable and historical place to visit. The Nomadic Museum. Perhaps the most incredible transformation is the Nomadic Museum. Designed by a Japanese architect, this art gallery was created from 148 metal shipping containers and recycled paper tubes. Although this gallery is made from old, used materials, it is truly an amazing building and a fascinating example of modern architecture. The gallery was created in 1905 to show an exhibition of photographs to people around the world. How would it reach all these people? The museum is nomadic. It actually travels around the world. Because it's made of shipping containers, it can be shipped overseas. It has already been to New York, Tokyo, and Mexico City. Maybe it will come to your country soon.